Hello guys, today is a new day of making this video. Today I am also going to speak in English, and this is the challenge which will going to be help which is going to help me with me speaking in English very fluently without making any mistake. So right now the time is around I think the time is around 2:15 of 2:50 a.m. of night, and I am feeling super sleepy from my mind, and I don't want to make this video, but I am making this video just for the sake of completing my this challenge. And right now, I am not even trying to get somebody phone to use that phone as a mic and make a better quality video, because my focus is to not to just. So my simple focus is not just to grow momentum and try to put whatever the shit kind of video we can make, but that's just not very momentum, because momentum is something which once broke, then it's very hard to regain those that momentum. And right now I had mistakes so many. I had made so many mistakes that, for example, I had not give priority to my this kind of work, and I try give myself to do other thing, get into distraction. So I have to remove all those distractions that I allowed myself to access today and from now onwards, because these are the price which I have to pay if I want to achieve all the things which I have desired of achieving. And other thing is that right now, as you can see how fluently I am able to speak English, it's all because of the practice which I am doing from last few days. So what I, as I told in my starting video, that I will read 10 pages of English content book every single day. Then I will watch 1 hour English content with subtitle, and then the last will be like making videos like this. So I am doing this with my heart. I am in the third part, which is making video like this, is going to it's the thing where I lack so many points. That what I believe, and I will fix this from tomorrow. And other thing is that guys, what I believe is that these all are the practice things. Like if I practice a lot, if I try to speak in English so many times, if I try to understand the things, and I will definitely learn how to speak in English fluently. And right now I'm using very basic words, and I'm still not making a lot of grammatical mistake. But one day will come when on that day I will be able to speak in English fluently. Now this is not going to help me to improve anything, right? Right now I am speaking in front of camera and speaking, but this is not going to give me as much as a good result as I wanted, as I want to get. If I see, I have to assume myself that I am a IIM student, IIM Ahmedabad student, and now I have to present a topic in English in front of the whole class, so I have to prepare like that, okay? Now let's say some topic like paradigm. Paradigm is a topic in which how you see the words, your point of view is called paradigm. So I have to give a lecture on that particular topic. I have to give a speech on that particular topic in English without getting off track, without wasting time of the viewer, with students, without using any wrong word, or with a good storytelling, by taking all the points, by clearing all the doubts, by giving them by giving them full detailed explanation. This is the kind of skill which I have to build in myself. So I have to assume these things like from days onwards that those are going to come. I have to put this in my mind. Okay, I have to prepare this topic, and I have to explain this topic, and I have to prepare this topic so well in myself that I am able to speak this topic in front of I am, because this is going to give me such a boost, because right now the thing which I'm doing is that can many people do this thing, right? But the thing which I'm talking about, like the fluency in giving speech in a particular topic in English without getting distracted and off track, and with proper storytelling method, is such a rare skill which is not for which is not that everyone has. So that's what I want to build in myself, in my this. That's what the thing that's the skill I want to unlock from myself, to make myself so this is the thing which I am telling you right now. And so it's been for the 4:30 for 30 seconds of recording, and I just want to tell you that you don't have to watch all this video. All I'm making this video for myself, because right now I'm so comfortable with this camera, because I don't see this camera as a camera. I see this camera as a talking with someone right now. So are you understanding whatever I'm saying? If you are not understanding whatever I'm saying, then you go fuck off. I don't give a fuck about anything, and that is it. And I do not, and that nobody is going to understand me. But that's what the thing documentation is. So right now I'm documenting everything whatever going through in my life, and let me talk about the today routine. So today routine is very hectic. What did I do today? That I left my home. From past 2 days I was staying in my home, but right now today I had come back to my hostel. Why I had come back to hostel? Because I am the full semester BBA student, and I am studying, and the college where I am studying is far more apart from my home. So that's why I have to come near this. So that's why I have to stay near my hostel, and that's this was my hostel. And so I woke up at around 10 a.m., 9 or 10 a.m. in the morning. Then I actually did not do meditation, not nor affirmation today, and I don't know why, because so that's what hurts me so much. But I will not go into these things from tomorrow, from right now, and I come back to hostel, and instead of working on, instead of putting myself in my vocab, what I do is that not prioritize all these things, and I just prioritize the stress, and I prioritize every other thing which are not going to which are not going to which are not going to support the increase the likelihood of achieving my goal that I wanted to achieve, and that's why there are so many mistakes I made today, and I will try to remove those mistakes from now onwards, and that is it, guys. So that is it for today, and so that's it.